Hello, children. Good morning to everyone. I hope you all are safe at home. For today, our topic is about house. A house is a place where we live in. Children, now tell me, why do we need a house? We need a house to protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, bad weather, storm, wind, and lightning. It also protects us from wild and dangerous animals. It keeps us safe from bad people such as thieves. Our house keeps our family safe and happy. We feel safe and comfortable inside our house. So, a house gives us shelter and keeps us safe, right? The house is our home. We come back from school or work to our home. We keep our things and valuable items safe in the house. We take rest and enjoy lot. House is a place where we live together under one roof. Children, it is very essential to build up a house when you grown up for the safety and betterment of one's family. As you all know, the house is a place where we live when you visit your friends, relatives, and neighbors. Children, do you find that they have same type of houses as you have? No. People live in different houses. Houses can have different shapes, sizes, and can also be made up of different materials. So, what are the materials used for building houses? Let's learn about them. Normally, houses built using bricks, stone, cement, iron, and steel. The windows and doors are generally made of wood. This type of houses are very strong and it's called Pucca house. What is that? Pucca house. Some houses are made up of mud, hay, bamboo, twigs, leaves, and so on. This type of house is called hut or A Kutcha house. A Kutcha house can be made very fast, but it is not very strong. As the Pucca house is strong, it can have many floors. Big cities have big buildings called apartments. They have many flats or houses in a single building where many families can stay. Now children, tell me, likewise can a Kutcha house has many floors? No, because it is made up of straw, mud, bamboo, and so on. So, it cannot take the loads of upper floors. A Kutcha house is normally small in size and single floored. So children, now tell me, what is a house? A house is a place where we live in. Why do we need a house? Because it protects us from heat, cold, wind, and so on. Children, now let's see the parts of a house. Just like our body, a house also has many parts. Do you know what are they? Floor, wall, roof, window, and door. I repeat this, children. Floor, wall, roof, window, and door. Types of houses. There are three types of houses in the world. They are Kutcha house, Pucca house, and portable house. I repeat this, children. Kutcha house, Pucca house, and portable house. As you know, Kutcha house made of mud, hay, bamboo, twigs, leaves, and so on. These types of houses are called hut or a Kutcha house. A Kutcha house can be made fast, but it is not very strong. For example, hut, mud house, wood house, and so on. Pucca house. Pucca houses are made up of cement, bricks, iron rod, steel, and so on. So, these types of houses are very strong, and also it is called Pucca house. For example, bungalow, apartment, skyscraper, and so on. Portable house. Children, can you imagine? You can carry your house from one place to another? Yes. Such types of houses are portable house. For example, tent, houseboat, caravan, and so on. Children, now tell me, what kind of houses are there in the plains? Plains means, children, that is low land, flat areas. It can be of many types. If we see the roof, it can be flat. It can also be slanting or sloping, and it's called sloping roof. But do you know, houses are made according to the climatic conditions of a particular place. Can we have with flat roofs in the places of heavy snowfall? No, because the snow gets collected on the roof top. It will be very difficult to remove the snow. Hence, the houses have sloping or slanting roof so that the snow can slide off easily. What kind of houses should be there where it rains a lot? Firstly, we cannot have flat roofs as rain water collect and damage the house. So they should have sloping roofs. Secondly, if the houses on the ground, the water will enter the house and all the rooms will get filled with water. So, what can be done, children? How about raising the house? Now, the water won't be able to enter the house. These houses are called stilts. Hence, in the areas where it rains a lot, the houses are built on stilts and have sloping roofs. The various Pucca houses, apartments, bungalow, and even Kutcha houses cannot be moved from one place to another and are called permanent houses. Some people keep moving from one place to another, either due to scarcity of food and water or due to extreme climate or due to work. Is it possible to carry their houses along with them? If they live in permanent houses like apartment bungalows, it won't be possible. So they make temporary houses that can be moved from one place to another. In villages, generally people use bullock cart to make their temporary house, while others use bus or van and turn it into the moving house. These are called caravan. Children, do you know one more type of temporary or moving house is there? Instead of road, it moves in water. Yes, children, I am talking about a houseboat. As the name shows, a houseboat, a house built on a boat. In India, houseboats are generally found in Kashmir and Kerala. These have all the facilities which can be found in any house. Tourists in Kashmir and Kerala love to stay in these unique houses. Children, do you know there are another kind of lightweight and easy to carry temporary houses? So what are these? Yes, these are tents. These are lightweight. They are made of canvas or nylon fabric. It can be fixed to the ground anywhere. Even mountain climbers carry the tents with them. We talked about Kutcha and Pucca houses, flat and sloped roofs, houseboats, tents, caravans, right? But now we will talk about the very different kinds of house. It is built from blocks of hard snow. It is called igloo. This is a snow house and normally seen in Arctic regions. It is usually dome-shaped and people who live here are called Eskimos. So children, it doesn't matter whether houses are big or small, Kutcha or Pucca, permanent or temporary. The important thing is it gives us shelter and safety. Outside of our house, it may be extreme weather, it may be hot or cold, rains or windy. But if we are inside our house, it doesn't matter because the house protects us from all of this. Children, now let's start to write classwork. So take your EVS classwork. We are going to start a new lesson now. So what do you have to do? Yes. So complete your index. Write the serial number 6 and write date. Now write lesson 6. Human needs house and clothes. Right, children? Okay, children. Now turn your classwork to new page. Now write L in capital, N, lesson number 6, and H in capital, U, M, A, N, human, N, E, E, D, S, needs, hyphen, write H again in capital, O, U, S, E. Leave one finger space and write, children. Write the next line, and A, N, D, and one finger space again, clothes. Here C in capital, L, O, T, H, E, and S, clothes. Right, children? So what is the lesson number? Lesson 6, human, H, U, M, A, N, human, needs, N, E, E, D, S, needs, house, H, O, U, S, E, house, and A, N, D, and clothes, C, L, O, T, H, E, S, clothes. So the lesson 6, human needs, house and clothes. Right, children? Now write first Roman D words, D in capital, hyphen, W in capital, O, R, D, and S. What is this, children? First Roman D words, W, R, D, S. D words. Right, children? Now write the first one is F, I, B, R, E, fiber. First one is fiber, F, I, B, R, E, fiber. Second one is S, Y, N, T, H, E, T, I, and C. What is this, children? Second one is synthetic. S Y N T H E T I C. Synthetic. And the third one is M A T E R I A and L. Material. Third one is material. M A T E R I A L. Material. Fourth one is V E N T I L A T I O N. Ventilation. Fourth one is ventilation. 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 Fifth one is F A B R I C. Fabric. Fifth one is fabric. F A B R I C. Fabric. Sixth one is L O O M. Loom. Sixth one is loom. L O O M. Loom. Seventh one is N O M A D S. Nomads. Seventh one is nomads. N O M A D S. Nomads. Eighth one is A M P L E. Ample. Eighth one is ample. A M P L E. Ample. Ninth one is spinning. S P I N N I N G. Spinning. Ninth one is spinning. S P I N N I N G. Spinning. The last one is T R A D I T I O N A L. Traditional. Tenth one is traditional. T R A D I T I O N A L. Traditional. Right, children? The first pattern is D words. First one, fiber. Second one is synthetic. Third one is material. Fourth one is ventilation. Fifth one is fabric. Sixth one is loom. Seventh one is nomads. 8th one is ample. 9th one is spinning. 10th one is traditional. Okay children, copy and write this D words first pattern. Children, I don't have place on the board, that is why I am writing like this. But you should write one by one in the classwork without spelling mistake. Use cursive handwriting. Right children? Yes. So shall we move to the next one? Yes. Now the second Roman is T in capital or A and W. Draw. L I F E. Life. Children, as I said, leave one finger space. Now write C Y C L E. Cycle. O F. Off. S I L K W O R M. Silkworm. Second pattern is draw. D or A W. Draw. Life. L I F E. Life. Cycle. C Y C L E. Cycle. Off. O F. Off. Silkworm. S I L K W O R M. Silkworm. Second pattern is draw, life, cycle, of silkworm. Children, now we are going to draw. Children, now write the topic in the center of your classwork. L in capital, I F E. Life. One finger space and write. C Y C L E. Cycle. O F. Off. S I L K W O R M. Silkworm. Life. L I F E. Life. Cycle. C Y C L E. Cycle. Off. O F. Off. Silkworm. S I L K W O R M. Silkworm. Life cycle of silkworm. Right children? So now we are going to draw the diagram around this topic. Right children? So listen to me carefully. And we are going to draw a leaf. Have you seen a leaf children? Yes. First draw the outline of a leaf and petiole. Now draw the main vein and side veins. Right children? So now the leaf is ready. So here you have to draw few eggs. Few eggs. So for eggs you have to draw small size circles on the leaf. Right children? Yes. So what is this? Leaf. What are these children? These are eggs. So draw an arrow mark and write E in capital G G S. Eggs. What are this? These are eggs. E G G S. Eggs. Right children? Now we have to draw an arrow mark like this. And again we are going to draw a leaf. So draw a petiole, then leaf, margin. Now write the main vein of the leaf and side veins. Right, children? Children, now we are going to draw a larva inside of a leaf. Right, children? So to draw a larva, we have to draw 5 or more circle on the leaf. Now draw eyes and give some dots on its body. Right, children? So we have to draw a larva on a leaf. So now we are going to label the parts. What is this? This is a leaf. What is the spelling for leaf? L in capital E A F. What is it? Leaf. And what is that picture on a leaf? Yes, that is larva. L in capital A R V A, larva, leaf. L E A F, leaf. Next one is larva. L A R V A, larva. Right, children? So again we have to draw an arrow mark, children. Yes. So now we are going to draw cocoon. Cocoon means, children, I have told Yes. Draw 2 lines in sleeping line, and again 2 lines, and draw an outline of a cocoon. Draw on dark and give some shading. Now cocoon is ready. What is spelling for cocoon, children? C in capital O C O O N, cocoon. C O C O O N, cocoon. What picture is this, children? Cocoon. So now we have to draw an arrow mark again. S. Right, children? So here we are going to draw a cocoon again. To draw a cocoon, draw two lines like this, and draw the outline of a cocoon like a mango. Right, children? And inside of the cocoon we are going to draw a new part and give some shading inside and also inside the cocoon. Right, children? So now tell me, what part is this? This is what? Silk moth. S in capital I L K M O T and H. What is it, children? Silk moth. S I L K M O T H, silk moth. Right, children? So again we are going to draw an arrow mark. Here we are going to write an adult butterfly. To draw a butterfly, so draw this two part of its body, and now we have to draw wings. For right side, first draw the two pair of wings of right side, just like a heart in shape, children. give an outline just like this. Your wish, children. You can draw yourself. That's up to you. So now we are going to draw the left side outline wings of the butterfly. Right, children? Left and right you have to draw just like this. So now give some shading on its body. So draw some lines on the wings of an adult butterfly. Just like this, children. So once you have done, give a round shape for up and down, also left and right. Right, children? So now draw the nectar of a butterfly. Ready, children? So what is it? Adult. A in capital, D-U-L and T. Adult. Right, children? A-D-U-L-T. Adult. So again you have to draw an arrow mark to complete the life cycle of silkworm. Right, children? The second pattern is draw life cycle of silkworm. Life cycle of silkworm. Draw a leaf. Draw parts of a leaf. Next, draw a leaf again and draw larva. What is the, children? Leaf and larva. Draw an arrow mark again and draw a cocoon. Okay. Next, draw an arrow mark again. Draw again one cocoon and one more part. What is that? That is silk moth. And again arrow mark and draw an adult butterfly. What is it? Adult. Next, again one arrow mark to complete the life cycle. This is what? The life cycle of butterfly, children. Children, listen to me carefully. To draw the second pattern, life cycle of silkworm, you have to take a new page of your classwork. Right, children? And write the topic inside of the diagram. Right, children? Then you have to draw one and two leaves, two cocoons, and one silk moth, and one adult, few eggs in one leaf, and larva. Right, children? Children, in the first stage, egg becomes a larva. Right, children? Next, the larva makes a cocoon around this. In next stage, a larva becomes a silk moth and it comes out from the cocoon. And in the last stage, the silk moth becomes an adult butterfly. And finally, an adult laying eggs. So, this is how life cycle of silkworm is happening. Right, children? Yes. Children, I hope you all understood. Thank you, children.